always be here with you, and I thank you for tuning in each and every day. You know I appreciate you so very much that I am so excited to give you some information that I found out about being able to podcast your own radio show right from your mobile device. Oh man, who doesn't want to do that? That is so cool, right? Right from your telephone. You can start your podcast. So, you know, if you have a business, if you are just have a blog and you're just wanting to be able to have that opportunity to communicate with people all over the world, this is definitely for you. This is not a paid advertisement at all. I have had Anchor now for quite some time. I was on it, and then I was off, and then I came back recently, and so I've been doing a podcast every single day for a couple of months now, and I just wanted to encourage you that if this is something that you want to be able to do to reach a broader audience and to be able to grow your brand, grow your product, you may have a product that people can use all over the world, but if they don't know you exist, then how can they purchase from you? This is a great way because you can actually talk to people right in their homes, driving in their cars, picking up their kids from school. Oh man, they could be at the beach, maybe just listening, lounging on the beach, listening to you. This is just an awesome way, and I just had to do this video so I can tell you guys how awesome. I really enjoyed the community. Their outreach there is just amazing to be able to listen to other podcasters, their viewpoints, and to be able to hear what's going on in other countries and learn different terminologies and learn about different products, things you've never even heard of. And so this has been great for me. I have really truly enjoyed every single step of the way of it, and to get started is so simple. I'm going to show you right now how you can get started. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is to download the app to your device, either Android or iOS device. I'm going to be using an iOS device. Here's your profile. So on your profile, you'll first create your name, your description, your URL, everything that you want to have it right here. And your URL can be unique to what you want it to be. Then you'll simply select a background color. Make sure you add your password on there, and you can actually connect it to your Apple Music. And so that's it. You're good to go. Your profile is created, and now you are going to be ready to get started on creating your show. As you can see here, I've created a couple of shows, and it shows you how long ago you created it, how many people have listened to it. And so you first start out by looking at your station here. You have your contacts, so you can actually do an interview with someone, or you can actually just go ahead and start recording. Then you have your music selection, where you can actually get to choose an artist if you would like to add some music over onto your station. You can just basically type it in right here, and you'll see a list of names come up, and simply you'll just be able to select the person that you desire to have, and you would add that onto your show. Once you add that onto your show, then you basically would just hit the little plus button after you've made your selection, and you're good to go. Voila. It just automatically appears on there. Now let's say that you're doing different, you're doing things in snippets. Then you might want to add some different interludes. And so there you have your orchestra part, your 96 West. I really like that one. And then another one is a clue, which is not too much, but it's just basically like a clue. It's like a little jingle for your discovery. And then another one that I really like is Allie. Allie is really cool. It's that you can add, and Anomaly, you can add that one into there as well. So then you have your call-ins. Your call-ins is where other people have called in and pretty much left you messages and things of that nature. So you can add those onto your shows as well, and maybe add some words before it or after it, just maybe thanking them for leaving that. And now my fun part, here it is, creating your Anchor podcast or creating your radio show. So the first thing you want to do is lift the phone to your ear, and then you're going to press the big red record button right down below, as you can see. Once you click the record button, then you'll see that it will bring up some numbers, and that'll let you know that the recording has taken place. Once you finish, then it's going to say, good job, nice recording. Do you want to play it back? And if so, you can play it back. You can undo it, you can modify it, or you can select done. And if you want to, you can do that as well. If you like it, if not, then you can start over and maybe add a different one on there.
Okay, now here's the exciting part. Now you get to decide what you want your caption to display. I'm going to say we are what we think. And I like to add the little emotions. So you can add that if you like. I love doing that. And then after that, you're going to hit done. Then you ready, ladies and gentlemen? You'll select add to station. Once you select that, it's going to start launching your station. And this is the exciting part. You're getting ready to be on your segment on the air. How exciting. You have done it at this point. And then here comes the confirmation that you've been waiting for in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, you are on the air live, and now you can get some listeners. You can share it on all of.
So right here on this screen, once you've completed then it will come right here on your main page to where you will get to see exactly what the people are saying. If they like it, they'll give you some hand claps. If they have feedback, you'll see that occur in there as well. So it's that simple, very simple to get started. Only a couple of steps on your part, and you are ready to start hosting your own show. I hope this has proved useful for you, whether you have a business or maybe not, and you just want to start a podcast so that you can have your voice heard, or maybe you just want to have a family thing going. I actually found that it's really cool. Another way to actually do blogging is to do little snippets wherever you may go throughout the day and conversate with people throughout the day that you are having. So that's another way that you can do things. And so it's you have the power to create the platform that you want. You have the power to make this the way you want it to be made. And so it's all in your hands. And once you created it, come on back on here. I'd love to listen to your station. I'd love to know what you have, what topic you decided to have. And if you created maybe a certain type of profile, I would love to hear that. Post those in the comments below if you love it. This is what we're talking about. Make sure you give me that thumbs up and show me some love today. And if you also, I thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time here. I thank you so much for tuning in. You have a great day, and I will be chatting with you soon. Bye for now.